What's going on, guys? Adam here from AtoZbodyfitness, and today we're going to go over a short video on my favorite lower body exercise, the split squat. Now, just before I get into the short video showing you how to perform the exercise and also giving you the proper techniques in order to make sure you're hitting your muscles properly, one thing you want to ensure, that I've said in a lot of my other videos, I always tell my clients, I say on social media in general, you want to control the movement, okay? And you want to control the tempo. Controlling the tempo is going to allow for more time under tension on your muscle, and it's going to allow for better muscle growth over time. No matter what you do, even if you perform an exercise, you want to make sure that it's not sloppy and it's controlled. If the exercise is sloppy, you're not going to get the best form, therefore you're not going to activate the muscle as best as you can. And if you're not controlling the tempo, you're not controlling the speed, you're not going to create as much time under tension as you could. There's always going to be tension under it regardless, whatever you do. But if it's controlled, obviously over time, the more that you do this, the better results you're going to get. All right, guys, here's the videos on how to perform it properly and what you should be doing when you're performing the split squat.
Alright, in this angle you'll see what I'm doing is I'm going down as low as I can and going back while allowing my knee to get as close as I can to the ground while leaning forward. In this angle is pretty much the same. Again, you want to go back and down, arc backwards as you go downwards, lean forward to really allow you to hit that quad and that hamstring. And from this angle, this is what I mean. It's all going to come together. So I'm going to freeze the frame here and show you how my left leg is going to be parallel to the ground. My right leg is going to be pretty much at a 90-degree angle with my quad being flat, and then my back is going to be straight but slightly lean forward to put pressure on the quad and make sure it's engaging as well. This is what you want to make sure you're doing every time you do a split lunge. You want to make sure that all these areas are in position as best as possible so that it allows your glutes, your hamstrings, and your quads to activate to the best of their ability while having a straight back and being slightly lean forward to allow for maximum pressure and maximum exposure for the muscle groups. And while doing this and creating that arc every single time will allow you to get the best possible split squat always.
So again, just to quickly recap, you always want to make sure you're pressing from the ball of your foot, the heel, and that you're always leaning into each part when you're doing it. And what I mean by that is, if you're going to want to activate your hamstrings and your glutes a bit more, you want to press more and lean a little bit slight back on your heel. And then if you want to activate more of your quad, you want to lean forward on the ball of your toe. Now, those two areas don't necessarily directly activate those muscles, but the reason why it allows you to activate each muscle respectively when you do it is because, for example, when you're leaning forward, okay, when doing any lower body exercise, you're going to activate the quad a bit more because of the way your body is and the distribution of weight. When you lean back a little bit more, you're going to be putting more of the distribution of weight on your hamstrings and your glutes because of where your body is leaning, right? And always, 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 like I said before, control the tempo. Make sure you're pressing from those areas to get a really good mind to muscle connection and allow you to really activate it as best as possible. The reason why I like this exercise so much is because your leg is on fire by the end of it. It's working everything. Your hamstrings, your adductors, your glutes, your quads, everything is working to basically really make sure that your body is going to be able to lift up and go all the way down, right? And each leg doesn't have the support of the other. So you really know that one leg is being put under a lot of tension. And if you're really controlling the tempo and the form, you're going to get the best workout possible when it comes to doing this for your lower body. All right, guys, if you like this video, click like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite leg exercise is, and I'll see you guys in the next video.